Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss the previous year's question paper problems. The first question, A plus B transpose. So it is very simple, just write the B transpose and add it to A. So answer is D. Characteristic equation of the matrix. So the formula, just remember the formula to find the characteristic equation of A, B, C, D. Lambda square minus sum of the diagonal A and D into lambda plus determinant of A, that is AD minus BC. Therefore, it is lambda square minus sum of the diagonal is 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 1 lambda plus determinant of A is minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8. So, answer is A. A transpose minus B, then it is a transpose. So, A transpose is minus 2, 1, 5, minus 3, minus B. So, that is 1 minus 1, 6, 4 and it is a transpose. So, 1, 6 minus 1, 4, answer is B. Value of the determinant. To find the value of the determinant of this given matrix, here sum of the second and third row is the first row. Therefore, its determinant value is 0. So, from the first row, if you subtract second and third row, the first row becomes 0 row. Therefore, determinant is 0. Cofactor of x. X is in the place, see this third row, second column, and if you delete the third row and second column, 1, 3, 1, 2, that is 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and minus 1, 4, 5. So, it is a plus 1. Answer is A. Value of the determinant. This is lower triangular matrix. So, its determinant is the product of the principal diagonal. Therefore, 1 into 3 into 2 into 3. So, answer is B. So, it is direct one. Determinant of the unit matrix is 1, but 2 is multiplied with each row. Therefore, 2 into 2 into 2, answer is D. Cofactor of 4. 4 is in second row, second column element. Therefore, cofactor is 1. If the vectors are orthogonal, two vectors are orthogonal if A dot B is 0. So, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is 0. Lambda plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So, lambda is 0. Answer is B. The angle between the vectors. First find A dot B. Since A dot B is 0, no doubt, and A and B are perpendicular, answer is D. If the angle between A and B is 30 degree and magnitude of A is 2, magnitude of B is 1, then magnitude of A cross B. So, A cross B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta. Therefore, 2 into 1 into sin 30 is half. Answer is C. Sample space S contains 30 elements and the event A contains 6 elements. Therefore, probability of A is number of elements in A by number of elements in S. So, 6 by 30 or 1 by 5, that is 0.2. Answer is C. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is, since A is subset of B, A union B is bigger one, that is B, and hence the probability of A union B is nothing but probability of B. The polar form of the complex number 1 plus I. Here R is square root of 1 plus 1, that is root 2, and theta is tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, 45 degrees 1. Therefore, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Therefore, R cos theta plus I sin theta, that is polar form. Root 2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, answer is C. Modulus of Z1 by Z2 is modulus of Z1 by modulus of Z2. Therefore, it is square root of 2 square plus 1 square by square root of 1 square plus 2 square. So, answer is 1. 1 minus cos A by sin A. You know half angle formula. 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2. Sin A is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Therefore, by cancelling 2 and 1 sin, so sin A by 2 by cos A by 2 is tan A by 2. Answer is B. If cosecant A is 1 by x, then sin A is x. Since sin A is x, cos A is square root of 1 minus sin square A, therefore 1 minus x square, square root of 1 minus x square. Sin 180 degree plus theta, so it is in third quadrant, minus sin theta. Secant 90 minus theta, it becomes cosecant theta, and tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta, second quadrant. Secant 270 degree plus theta, so it is in third quadrant, and secant becomes cosecant theta. Sin 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, so minus sin theta, and cot 90 plus theta is in second quadrant, cot is negative, therefore minus tan theta. So cancel minus tan theta and minus sin theta and cosecant theta. Answer is 1. That means D. Tan theta is 3 by 4. So third quadrant angle, tan theta is 3 by 4. Opposite by adjacent, hypotenuse is 5. Sin theta is 3 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Therefore, it is 7 by 5. But in third quadrant, both are negative. So, minus 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. So, minus 7 by 5. Tan 750 degree is nothing but 360 you remove, 720 you remove, remaining 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Answer is A. Cos 2x, convert into tan form. So, it is direct one, you know the formula, 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x, or the direct formula is cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Take cos square x outside. In sin square x multiply and divided by cos square x means it becomes tan square x. Take cos square x outside. Cos square is nothing but 1 by secant square. So 1 minus tan square x by secant square is nothing but 1 plus tan square. So 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Limit extends to 1. Numerator degree and denominator degrees are equal. X square coefficient is, but in the denominator, if x tends to 1, it is 2 into 3, 6. Numerator it is 0. Therefore, no need to worry. Direct substitute. 0 by anything is 0. Answer is C. Now, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Therefore, 2 sin square theta is 2x. 2 theta is 4x. Now, sin square theta by theta square, or sin 2x by 2x whole square, but only 2 is there, multiply and dividing by 1 more 2. Therefore, 4 into sin theta by theta whole square. Sin theta by theta, theta tends to 0 is 1. So, answer is 4. That means D. Limit extends to pi by 2. Take pi by 2 minus x is y. Then x is pi by 2 minus y. Tan pi by 2 minus y is cot y. Therefore, limit y tends to 0. X tends to pi by 2 means y becomes 0. Y cot y. Cot means cos y by sin y. Y by sin y, limit y tends to 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. Therefore, answer is B. Here it is direct formula. So, you know that. Apply the formula to the numerator and denominator. So, 3 into 2 power n into a power n minus 1. So here 3 into 2 power 2 minus 1 and half into 2 power half minus 1, that is minus half. 2 power minus half is in the denominator, square root of 2 is in the denominator, it goes to the numerator, that is root 2. 3 into 4 into 2, so 24 root 2. Slope of the line parallel to the y-axis. Now y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis, therefore tan 90 is infinity, answer is D. If the slope of the two lines are 2 by 5 and minus 5 by 2, then m1 into m2 is minus 1 and hence they are perpendicular, angle between them is 90 degree. If x and y intercepts of the line are respectively, how to find x and y? First convert the given equation into x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Therefore, it is x by minus 3 plus y by 5 equal to 1. That means you are taking 15 right side, it becomes minus 15, multiply throughout by minus sign, minus 5x plus 3y equal to 15, dividing by 15. Therefore, x intercept is minus 3, y intercept is 5. If x is cos t, y is sin t, then dy by dx is sin t derivative cos t, that is minus cos t, or cos t is x, sin t is y, so minus x by y. Derivative of x power 5 with respect to x power 3, that means derivative of x power 5 by derivative of x cube. So 5x power 4 by 3x square, 5 by 3 x square. So 5 by 3 x square, answer is D. Tan inverse 1 by cos x by sin x by half angle formula, it is tan 1 minus cos x by sin x. So tan x by 2, tan inverse tan x by 2 is x by 2, therefore dy by dx is 1 by 2, derivative of x is 1, so dy by dx is 1 by 2. If y is 2 power x minus 3 power x, just differentiate. 2 power x derivative 2 power x log 2 and 3 power x derivative 3 power x log 3, and at x equal to 0, 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1, so log 2 minus log 3 is log 2 by 3. Log 2 by 3 means answer B. Derivative of e power x into sin 3x plus cos 3x. So e power x into f of x. So its derivative is e power x into f of x plus f dash x. So f of x is sin 3x plus cos 3x, f dash x is 3 cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x. Therefore, it is e power x into 4 cos 3x minus 2 sin 3x. If y is sin x plus cos x, dy by dx is cos x minus sin x. Now, in the given answer, second derivative is also required. Second derivative is minus sin x minus cos x. So, minus of y. Sin x plus cos x is y minus y. Therefore, d square y by dx square plus y is 0. Answer is A. Derivative of e power sin square x. So, e power x derivative is e power x. E power sin square x derivative is e power sin square x into derivative of sin square x. That is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x, that is cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Therefore, answer is C. Maximum value of y. So, derivative of y is 4 minus 2x or 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, you get maximum value. Substitute x equal to 2. So, 8 minus 2 square is 4. Answer is 4. Equation to the normal to the curve. To find the equation at x equal to 1, y equal to 1, dy by dx is minus 3x square by 3y square, that is minus 1. So, slope of the normal is 1, y equal to x plus c, or x minus y is c. How to find c? Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, that is 0, x minus y equal to 0. Equation of the tangent to the curve at 1, 1. To find the equation of the tangent, same logic, first find dy by dx, that is 2x divided by derivative with respect to y is 2y minus 2. At 1 1 denominator becomes 0, so infinity. M is infinity means x is constant. Put x equal to 1, so x equal to 1, equation of the tangent. Maximum value of y. To find the maximum value, first find dy by dx, then get x equal to 1, equate dy by dx is 0. At x equal to minus 1, dy by dx is 0. So minimum value. Minimum value is obtained at x equal to minus 1. Substitute x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus 2 plus 3. Therefore, minimum value is 2. Slope of the tangent to the curve. Here, just it is required to find the slope. Derivative with respect to x. So, minus derivative with respect to x is 3x square plus y square. And derivative with respect to y is 2xy minus 5. At 1 1, that means 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 minus 5 is minus 3, minus half minus plus 3. So, 4 by 3. Integral of e power sin x into cos x dx. Take sin x is t, cos x dx is dt. E power t dt integration is e power t. Therefore, e power sin x. Answer is A. This we already discussed in the previous class. So, just apply that rule. First function x square minus derivative of x square is 2x. Again plus derivative of 2x is 2. And then integral of sin x is minus cos x. Integral of minus cos x is minus sin x. Integral of minus sin x is again minus of minus cos x plus cos x, and simplify. So, answer is D. Integral of x into secant square x minus tan square x dx. So, these problems are just to confuse you, nothing is there. Secant square x minus tan square x is 1. Therefore, integral of x square by 2. So, answer is B. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x dx. So, the concept is here n is 5, that is odd. So, from the denominator start with 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 into 2 is 8, 5 into 3 is 15, 8 by 15, answer C. 0 to pi cos cube x dx. Here we have one rule, 0 to 2a, f of x dx is 0 if f of 2a minus x is minus f of x. Here cos 2a, here 2a is pi, assume that upper limit is 2a. So, pi minus x, cos pi minus x is minus cos x. So, in second quadrant cos is negative, therefore, integral is 0, no need to integrate. Next question, differential equation of the family of the curve. That means just you differentiate, eliminate a. To do that, first differentiate 2x equal to 4a into dy by dx, and 4a is nothing but y x square by y. Replace 4a by x square by y and simplify. Therefore, x dy by dx minus 2y equal to 0. So, answer is C. Solution of the differential equations e power x plus y dy by dx equal to 0. Here, e power x into e power y into dy by dx equal to 0 means e power y dy, e power y dy, actually here the answer given is wrong, e power y dy, actually e power x plus y dy by dx must be 1 it is. If it is 1, then only we will get the answer. So, if it is 1, e power y dy is e power minus x dx. Suppose for the given question e power x plus y dy by dx equal to 0, answer is e power dy equal to 0. So, take all to the right side. So, dy is 0. So, integral of y is dy is y is constant. But y equal to constant, there is no answer given. Therefore, the actual question is e power x plus y dy by dx equal to 1. And hence, e power y dy equal to e power minus x dx. So, integrating e power y equal to minus e power minus x plus c. So, e power minus x plus e power y equal to c. See, sometimes the question, given question is wrong. But even if the question is correct but the answer is not given properly, therefore sometime you may get confusions. Don't waste time for these type of questions. So assume that right hand side is 1 and simplify and select the answer, but no need to worry. Even for any answer you will get the full marks for these type of questions. Next one, integrating factor of the linear equations. To find the integrating factor, first you divide throughout by x, dy by dx minus 1 by x. So p is minus 1 by x. Integral of minus 1 by x is minus log x or log of 1 by x. E power log of 1 by x is 1 by x. So integrating factor is 1 by x. Area formed by the curve between x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 up to x axis, y equal to 0. So integral of log x. Integral of log x is x log x minus x. That is standard formula, you know that. And apply the limit. 2 log 2 minus 2 minus 1 log 1 minus 1. 1 log 1. Log 1 is 0. So minus 1. Minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore 2 log 2 minus 1. Answer is C. Order and degree of the differential equations. So you know that the highest order is second order derivative. So order is 2 and its power is 1. Power of the highest order, that is 1. Therefore degree is 1. So 2 and 1, answer D. Thank you very much. And in the next revision class, so I'm going to discuss more problems of the previous year question papers.